The following is disseminated on behalf of Planet Ventures.
Hi, I'm Cindy Edwards from PRmediaNow. Space exploration is becoming big business, with projections of it becoming a $1 trillion industry within the next 5 years. Companies like Planet Ventures help people right here on Earth invest in private space technology companies. And Planet Ventures CEO Etienne Moshevich joins us now to discuss. Nice to see you again, Etienne.
Great to see you, Cindy. Thanks for taking the time.
Let's get an update now on what has happened with Planet Ventures since we last spoke.
Definitely. So we brought on a new head of our space investments, Dr. Bora Yugin. And Dr. Yugin is one of the most prolific angel investors. He was rated top 100 angel investors by Business Insider. And he's the one that has kind of helped us amass this team of advisors and space investments that we're currently looking at and have already invested in. So he's been an incredible addition to our team, and having him kind of put his name out there for us and be our head of space investments is a huge feat for us. And we again also made a new investment in a company called Lux Eterna, which is a very, very exciting company. It's a company building the first they're working on building their first reusable satellite platform. So as kind of what I was saying before, is we're looking at investing in every area of the space economy. This is just a different one that we're investing in, and I think we're doing exactly what we told investors, which is we're investing in different private space companies, giving our investors exposure to private space companies and building our team. And I think that's exactly what they can look forward to over the next few months as well.
Is there quite an array of private space companies out there?
Well, you know what? It's funny. The answer is yes. Especially with SpaceX, planning to go public sometime the next couple months. There's a lot more money being poured into private space companies right now. It's like the breadth of it is so exciting. There's a ton of money being poured into it. And we're looking at a number of different opportunities. But with that, there's also, the most important thing is that we're investing in the right ones. There are a ton of companies raising money right now because of SpaceX, and the money that's being thrown there, and the valuation it's going to go public at over $1.6 trillion. So the most important part for us is not just building our portfolio and getting these private space companies. It's investing in the right ones that we believe have the highest potential of success. And that's exactly what we want to try to build for our shareholder base. And so having Dr. Yugen come on as our head of space investments is a huge feat for us, because he's the one that's helping us conduct due diligence and bring these opportunities to us through his connections and through connections of some of our other advisors. So it's been a great thing.
It's going to take a while for some of these companies to be profitable, including the hotel that you've invested in that's going on to the moon. So
Yes.
what are some tangible milestones that investors can expect in the short term?
100%. So it's not just the profitability that we're looking at. It's also, let's say if we get in at a Series A valuation or a Series B valuation, are these companies raising money at higher valuations? And this is something that we can then show our investors that, we got in at an X valuation here. Now they're raising money at a higher valuation Y here from where we invested, just to show our investors that we're able to show them the growth. And even though it's not liquid for them yet, hopefully at that point we'll get to it. And so there's different stages of investments that you can do. If you do early stage, you might have to wait a little bit longer for the IPO process, for them to go public, but then you just get in at a lot lower valuation. And so there's always give and takes, but we want to build the only publicly traded company in Canada that giving regular retail investors exposure to private space companies. And that's exactly what our focus is, and that's exactly what we're planning on doing here with Planet.
All right. We'll be keeping in touch to find out what comes next, because you've got a lot going on. Etienne Moshevich, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you so much for your time, Cindy. Appreciate it.
And you can go to planetventuresinc.com for more information. We'll see you again next time.